What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick rundown video review of the brand new V-MODA Crossfade Wireless 2 Codec editions. So if you guys remember a few short months ago, we just reviewed the new V-MODA Crossfade Wireless 2s, which we have here on the right side, your left side of the table, and they're almost identical to the brand new V-MODA Crossfade Wireless 2 Codec editions, but the new Codec editions have a few upgrades that the Wireless 2s have left out. A few of the physical upgrades or differences to these two are that the Crossfade Wireless 2 Codec edition actually has thinner and more cushiony or more soft feeling ear cups than the originals. The originals have a little bit more rigid of a feel to them, and they still have that nice cushion to them as well. They have a nice memory foam, but the memory foam of the Crossfade Wireless 2 Codec edition is a little bit more plush, a little bit more soft, and just feels a little better when sitting on the ear, but they are a little more shallow. So if you want them to be a little bit thicker, then the Crossfade Wireless 2s have a thicker cushion in them than the Crossfade Wireless 2 Codec edition. Also, on the physical front, you have a battery life of about 14 hours with the new Crossfade Wireless 2 Codec edition, whereas in the original Codec or non-Codec Wireless 2 editions, you have a 10 to 12 hour battery life. When using these in wired mode, you don't get much of a difference. I had to go back and forth and really play them very, very carefully and listen very carefully in order to hear any difference at all. But I was able to hear a little bit more of a fuller or 3D type of soundstage. The bass in the music was rumbling and it felt like it was coming from all directions, whereas the bass, when using them with the original Wireless 2s, was kind of coming from just one direction. I can hear it like kind of pounding into my ear, different than the Codec editions that we have here. So other than that, all of the physical attributes are the same. You still get that same cool click fold hinge. You still get that same metal design all around. You have these steel flex headbands. Very, very durable, very comfortable. And you also get the ability to customize them right out of the box. Right at the V-MODA website, when you order your pair, you'll be able to customize the shields. You'll be able to choose the different colors that you want. And you can also customize the screws that the faceplate are held in by. You can change the different style of the shields by adding your own logos, adding your DJ name as I have here along with my lucky number 9. You can choose your different materials that you want. Like on these we have a gold plated metal here and they're 3D printed as well. Whereas what we have on the Codec 2 editions, we have the textured feel to them and of course the branding of DJ Blaze on there as well. And you can easily do this. It only takes a few days for them to be customized to your liking, and the shipping time is very, very quick, and the cost is not that much when you just want a few things done, but it can range very, very high in price if you guys want to get your different precious metals such as platinum, real gold, or steel, or whatever else you guys are really, really into to make these stand out and make them look different from everybody else's headphones that are out there on the market. Both of these headphones come with that smaller case, so that way you can fit these almost anywhere, especially into your DJ bag. They also both come with your 1/4-inch adapter along with your flat style charging cable, and you also get a woven style cable with your 3-button touch and your microphone as well. Now the major difference between these two headphones is when it is connected to a Bluetooth device. When you're connected to a Mac OS device, an iOS device, or an Android device, you can change the Bluetooth properties within the menus, and you can change them between the different codecs that you have there if you're playing back your source material, which is high res quality. So you have AAC, you also have SBC, and you also have the aptX codecs, all in the new codec edition of the Crossfade Wireless 2s. That means you're gonna get really high fidelity sound when you're playing your lossless style files back on your Bluetooth capable headphones. You're going to get excellent sound quality with the Crossfade Wireless 2 codecs. I definitely heard the difference between these and the original Crossfade Wireless 2s when I was going back and forth between the Bluetooth pairing, and I was able to change the different codecs using the device that I was using for the Codec Edition Crossfade Wireless 2s, and you definitely do hear a difference. Now, if you're just a DJ and you're plugging these into your different devices such as your mixers and controllers, then it might not be worth it for you guys to upgrade to the new Crossfade Wireless 2 codecs if you already have the originals. But they're definitely a step up if you're interested in getting the highest fidelity, highest quality sound that you possibly can when you're using these over Bluetooth mode as well. So for more on the full reviews, you guys can head on over to www.djbooth.net and type in V-MODA in order to see all of our reviews on all of our V-MODA headphones. You can also hit the thumbs up on this video. If you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell so that way you get a notification in your inbox when the new videos like this are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.